want to show you how to install and use agent skills in Xcode 27. On skills sh, you can find a couple of skills. All you need to do to install a skill in Xcode 27 is the skills GitHub repo. So over here, you can search for any skill. Let's select this for example. All we need to do is to get the GitHub repo. So we copy this URL and use it in Xcode to connect the agent skill. In Xcode, you should select the menu and go to settings. The configuration is done under the intelligence settings. You can add a skill as a plugin under the section Agents in Xcode. To see this category in the Xcode intelligence settings, you should connect one of these three agents: Cloud Agent, Codex, or Gemini. After installing Xcode 27, you will see these agents: Cloud Agent, Codex, and Gemini, and you can easily connect them. You have noticed here, I have already connected Gemini. I used my Google AI API key for the connection. However, you can select any of these options. If you don't connect one of the three agents, you will not see this section, Agents in Xcode, under the intelligence settings. So to add a skill, you select this option, Plugins. You have noticed there are no plugins, so I'll click this button to add one. You can import from all these options: Cloud Code, Codex, Gemini, and more. Let's select the option Add from URL and click Continue. For the skills repo, I'm going to use one of the stream skills. Over here, we have the stream agent skills. There are several agent skills for stream. If you go to the skills directory, we have skills for Flutter, React Native, React, Swift, and more. Since stream has all these skills, for iOS development, we need only stream skill and also the skill for Swift. So let's copy this URL and go back to Xcode. With the option Add from URL selected, I'll click Continue and paste the URL here and click Continue again. You have noticed all the 11 stream skills are now available here. I'm going to select them all and install. Since the streams agent skill has now been successfully installed, we can go ahead and use it in our project. From the coding assistant, we can initiate a new conversation by selecting a model. I have already integrated all these models. It doesn't matter the one that we select. I will leave the option as Gemini. So we can now go ahead and reference the stream skills with the / command. For an iOS and SwiftUI project, we need the stream CLI skill for authentication and user management. To scaffold a SwiftUI application, we also need the stream Swift skills. So we can, for example, say we want to build a SwiftUI chat application. If I go to the browser again, you have noticed here you can use the stream skills to build applications for chat, video, feeds, and moderation, depending on the platform you choose. For iOS, you can use the Swift skill to build applications for the 4 stream products. When I send the prompt, you have noticed here it is now using the Swift skill and also referencing the stream skill. I'm going to stop here because the purpose of the video is to show you how to bring agent skills to Xcode and use them in your project.